Hi, my name's Phil Brown, 3D Phil. I've been involved in stereoscopic imagery since the early 1980s, and it's been fascinating for me. And now that I've got the chance of working in feature films, it really gives me an opportunity to explore 3D like I've never been able to in the past. Now, most people think that 3D's a relatively new thing, but actually it was invented by an Englishman called Charles Wheatstone, who was inventing the principles of stereoscopic vision way back in 1840. Now, by the time 1880 came round, Queen Victoria was absolutely mad on 3D pictures, and so this made a craze of the time, where families used to collect these side-by-side photographs that they used to put into the viewer, and father would then pass them round for the family to view while he reads out of the book the description for each photograph. Now, the reason they did this was because poor people of the time, they couldn't travel like rich people who used to go on this great grand tour. They used to visit places like Africa and China, or Egypt, all these wonderful places which poor people, of course, in the Victorian era couldn't afford to do. So 3D photography was the television of the times. And so they used to collect these 3D pictures, put them in baskets, and like you collect things like CDs today. So this was a wonderful, wonderful thing for the Victorian people. And so when people talk about 3D being a gimmick, of course it wasn't a gimmick in the Victorian times, and it shouldn't be a gimmick now. A 3D picture indeed can be a wonderful, wonderful thing if it's photographed properly and adheres to the rules of stereoscopic vision.